Hello, my friends. Thank you for joining me. I'm on Pennsylvania going into Windrock. I'm on the pedestrian trail that goes along the Windrock Mall. I love this trail. You can take this all the way to downtown. Anyways, glad to have you riding with me. Try to explore a little bit today. Get out, nice day. Coming through! Thank you. Anyways, last night we had some heavy-duty thunderstorms that flooded the whole downtown. All the roads were closed, rivers, streets turned into rivers. So we're gonna see how things look today.